Welcome to this tutorial from Verb, in which you will learn how to research, modify, and delete a suggestion. To get started, go to your dashboard and then to the Suggestions menu. Suggestions are automatically sorted by statues, but you can change the filter. You will also find support for each filter that can be activated by clicking right here. Suggestions can be sorted by date, author, or term in a personalized way. To remove a filter, simply click on this icon again and then click on Clear. Click on Clear Filters to remove all filters. You can also search for suggestions via the search bar by entering the date, statues, author or term. To modify a suggestion, click on it. You can then edit the definition. Select the dictionary with which the term is associated and then reject or approve the suggestion. Finally, you can delete a suggestion by clicking on this icon or via its settings.